We first started this channel so that my parents could teach me how to cook, and we were delightfully surprised when it ended up becoming so much more than that, and we started cooking for all of you. We are so lucky that the best falafel chef around lives in our house. It's Taco Tuesday on a Friday! Today we're going to be making a type of salad called fattoush, grilled corn. Mini pizzas, our granola, my dad's french fries, galayet part 2 with my grandpa, chicken with white sauce and curry, Chinese food, arugula salad. We brew our tea at home, zucchini with garlic yogurt, hummus, and that's parfait, something called malfouf, which is basically stuffed cabbage. The mini breads, awesome guacamole, mahshi, which is stuffed zucchini, except this time it's served in a yogurt sauce, date balls, chicken kebab, sfiha, which my mom translated to meat pies, lemonade, roasted baby potatoes, our s'mores at home. You can also call it chickpea triangle bread. And just another thing to expect on the day you're making your falafel is that it's gonna be like the Wi-Fi went out, everyone's gonna come out of their rooms and they're gonna start stealing a lot of the fresh falafel. So I think take that into consideration when you're preparing your quantity. Maybe about 25% are gonna be stolen by your family. People are critical about the way they make their eggs and how, they don't ever seem to taste right when you eat them outside of the house. And my dad was making fun of my mom for using the super small rollers, so she got an extra large one this time. And obviously you can see how that's so much more efficient, and instead of taking 10 hours to do each one, it takes her no time at all. So here's some deformed marshmallows that happened as well. And look how good they are. It still look good. And my mom is a pharmacist, so she likes to make sure that everything we put into our bodies is actually useful and that we stay very healthy. So we always look for dishes that are both, pretty yummy and actually nutritious. And fattoush is definitely one of them. And oregano, I think is how you say it. And these cool breads that are all puffing up. And here he is enjoying it with my dad with absolutely no animosity or hatred towards each other. This is how my mom likes to plate it fancy. You don't have to do it fancy, but this is how she likes to do it. So once you made your hummus flour, make sure to make sure it looks like a flower. Actually, that's pretty cool. She never does this usually. So first we're going to start off with cutting up all of our vegetables, even though tomato is technically a fruit. But if you're not able to press it in easily, it needs a little bit more time. So obviously, you can look at it. If it smushes in your hand, it should probably be right. But if you want a cool way, this cool way that I can test it, yeah, you can just press that in. Today we're going to teach you how to be the best too, so that you don't have to keep going and buying overpriced falafel. Sorry to restaurant owners, but that is just the truth. And I know what you're saying. People will make anything and call it Chinese food, but today we're gonna actually put that to the test. Your final touch is rolling them all in shredded coconut to have a really pretty finish with the coconut. At least the way my mom makes it. And by the way, it's not hummus, it's hummus. And before I had told you guys that chicken broccoli was my favorite dish, but I'm sorry that I lied to you because this is actually my favorite dish. I'm not gonna lie, my jiddo makes the best one in my opinion.
Backstabber!
But I don't care what my dad says, but I guess you guys can try the recipe out for yourself and see who you think is the best.
Lies!
And plus, I think my grandpa makes it a little bit easier because, as you can see, all of these first steps are no heat. So
it's paid for.
It's very simple and nice and better. And this is a very rare occurrence because my mom usually doesn't allow us to eat them, and you're gonna see why in just a few seconds. Yeah, see, that one's a little bit on the burnt side. But some people enjoy it like that. Like half my family loves it burnt to a crisp and half of them don't. These are awesome because they're very easy to take with you wherever you are. Just for a little snack during the day. It's kind of weird to pull out a whole pizza slice, so these make it so that you seem normal and you can taste pizza, so yes. Still a little bit mushy, so don't burn it to a crisp, but you could do whatever you prefer. Because I don't know, I don't like a potato that doesn't taste like a potato, and that happens when people go crazy with the ingredients. straight from the tea leaves, and honestly, I think this tastes so much better than bagged tea. So if you want, you should give it a shot, and if you're too nervous, don't worry because it's super easy. And my mom uses a bunch of different colors. Honestly, I feel like they all taste the same, but maybe the fact that they're different colors, it tricks my brain into thinking like, wow, like there's so much flavor. I don't know. You guys should let us know what you think about the peppers.
哇，这也太正宗了吧！不错，不错，不错，不错。我在美国朋友家里吃到他们做的中国菜，真不错，比那个 Panda 强多了。
Okay, so I guess he said that it was authentic. So there you have it. This is Chinese food. That's a nice little hack. And he finally finished off his breakfast with a wonderful moment with my grandma. So he made tea for her and they're both eating this together. Cause you can't have a complete breakfast without your favorite person in the world. They're very cute. They fight a lot sometimes, but they're very cute at the end of the day. So I guess that's how all relationships are. Anyways, that's not what we're here for. For us, that was collecting mint from the backyard. Growing your spices at home also tastes so much better, so if you can do that, you should give it a shot. Digestives actually taste so much better than the usual graham crackers people get. So I don't know, maybe you can give that a shot if you want. If you press down the little, wow, there's like bats going crazy outside. So this is like authentic breakfast. Like this is what the Jordanians do. And we have this actually pretty frequently just because it's so easy to make. We have this a lot and it's really, really, really good. Corn, which is funny because I think so every single time I tell someone that I eat corn with my pizza, they think it's really weird, but I think this is like a secret thing that no one has tried yet, but it's going to become the next big thing. So like broccoli on pizza, it's actually corn on pizza. So you should try that out. Dude, cilantro and parsley look the same. All of these like green things look the same. I don't know. I feel like they taste the same too, to be completely honest with you. But that's fine. And then look how nice they came out. Super fluffy pizzas. And so good. See, my dad, he's like, damn, that's like really good. And we went to the beach and we enjoyed these there as well. So it was super good and we all had it. Look how many we're taking at a time, like 10 at a time. Shove it in my mouth. Super great. And then you're literally done. Like, how simple was that? There was zero anything involved. And then she definitely didn't force my brother to go get some mint from our backyard. So super cool, super yummy. I love this salad. She always serves it when she does like grills. Keep it on low heat if you tend to burn things easily. Very versatile like that, and it's awesome, so you should make it too. Wow, look at that photography. We shouldn't even be a cooking show at this point. We should just, we should become filmmakers. But yeah, I would say you should invest because this is a really yummy dish. So this is super insanely simple, but it ends up tasting super insanely good. Happy galaying again. Happy pizzaing. Happy mluchiaing. Happy s'moring. Happy French frying. Happy chicken currying. And happy malfoofing. Happy granolaing. Happy chickpea triangle breading. Happy baked potatoing. Happy lemonading. Happy chicken kebabing. Happy salading. Happy sfihaing. Happy dating. Happy guacamoleing. Happy makhshing. Happy hummusing. Happy breading. Happy zucchiniing. Happy fattoushing. Happy parfaiting. Happy falafeling. Bye bye!